Welcome back to Algebra. Today, we are looking at the elimination method again, but specifically focusing on what to do when the equations don't immediately cancel out. We call this multiplying to create opposites. Take a look at this system. We have 3x plus 2y equals 12 and x minus y equals -1. If we just add them together right now, we get 4x plus 1y. Nothing gets eliminated. We are stuck with two variables, which we cannot solve directly. So, what is our goal? To use the elimination method effectively, we need coefficients that are exactly the same number, but with opposite signs. Like positive 2y and negative 2y, when we add opposites together, they become 0, and the variable disappears. Step 1 is to choose a target. Let's look at our x terms, 3x and 1x. To make them opposites, we would need to multiply by -3. Now look at the y terms, positive 2y and -1y. They already have opposite signs. This makes y the easiest choice. We just need to turn that -1 into a -2. Step 2 is to perform the multiplication. We take the entire second equation and multiply it by 2. It is crucial to distribute this 2 to every single term. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times -y is -2y, and 2 times -1 is -2. Now we have our new equation. Step 3. We write down our first equation, which we didn't change, and underneath it, we write our new multiplied equation. Now we add them straight down. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Positive 2y and -2y cancel out to 0, and 12 minus 2 is 10. Step 4 is simple algebra. We have 5x equals 10, divide both sides by 5, and we find that x equals 2. We are halfway there. Step 5 is back substitution. We take our value, x equals 2, and plug it back into one of the original equations. The second equation, x minus y equals -1, looks the simplest. Replacing x with 2 gives us 2 minus y equals -1. Subtracting 2 from both sides gives -y equals -3, which means y must equal 3. So our solution is the coordinate pair 2, 3. If we graph these two lines, we can see they intersect exactly at that point. X is 2 and y is 3. To summarize, first, check if variables cancel out naturally. If they don't, multiply one or both equations to create matching coefficients with opposite signs. Then, simply add, solve for the first variable, and substitute back to find the second.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.